We are a home solutions brand.
And you know what that means? That means we build it right. So we are about 99.9% done. We have our walk we're doing right now for a QC3 for all the little tiny things, little paint or cabinet touch-ups, mainly more than anything. But overall, this job's looking good. I think there's about 2 or 3 things left. So we're walking around checking it all out. Fireplace. So QC3 is gonna tell us, walking around, make sure all the lights are working, paint looks good, hot water's working, shower's working, shower doors are working, make sure things are clean, things are caulked in, cabinet doors are working, cabinet handles are on, you know, a full list that we go through before we present it to the homeowner. This countertop is amazing the way it looks, so I mean, check this thing out. So we've got lighting sheets under here that are about 12 by 12, 15 by 15, and they clamp together, and then we have a wire connected to them that goes back down to a driver to light up this countertop. Remote control to it, you just would put it on the wall, cover plate, and then it stays there, or you can have it as a remote to walk around with. Lit up countertops, what do you got? We went way more above and beyond, and I love it. Always go above and beyond. We did good. I'm happy with it all.